what we got here. Alright guys, 12 bucks later and we got our sanding pads. And yep, it's time to get to work. Got a little disassembly. About to clean up. Take out some more carpet. This side's starting to clean up a little bit. Still gotta get up in here. Clean all that out. This right here. And we resin over that one too. Here too. Clean up. It's coming along. Yes it is. Alright guys, I started on this side. And it's coming up, but not as much as if I use this. So the battery is charging. So I'm gonna let the battery charge up and I'm gonna go back to using this to get the big stuff off like that. And then after that, we'll sand it down. Alright guys, day one is done. Cleaned a little bit up here. Got a filling right here, here, and there. Then we got to start back here, smooth everything out. But it's looking pretty good. Alright, I'll see you all day.
So yeah, like I was saying, the rear compartment is going to be C-deck. The reason why I went with C-deck is because it's a little more durable, and it doesn't get as dirty as fast as carpet does.
Just gotta get back there, finish this up, vacuum it out, clean like this right here. After that, passenger side be done too. Cool, it's coming along. This little Warrior series from Harbor Freight, it's not bad. You know what they say about Harbor Freight, one-time use. Anything you gotta plug in. But it survived the night. Cool beans. Alright. Filled that one. Filled these over here. So basically I'm just waiting for them to dry. Once they dry out, we should also be good to go. And I need to fill some stuff on the transom. Start working on that.
Such a blessing.